Hey, this is Gary Berger of Berger Law. I'm here with my friend and client, Marcia Jackson. How are you today?
I'm doing fine.
Marcia, what did we just do?
We just settled my case.
Right. Are you excited about that?
Yes.
And and we just did a mediation to resolve your car crash case, right?
Yes.
Was it weird? And we did this by Zoom. And was it weird doing a formal mediation procedure by Zoom on your phone?
No, really it wasn't.
Okay. Well, how did you, are you happy with the resolution of the case?
Yes.
And are you happy with, tell me what it was a little bit about, like working with my law firm and doing this.
Y'all were all great. If I needed anything, y'all were always calling me back, answering the phone, answering all of my questions, making me feel better about it. Y'all were just all great.
Thank you. Thank you. And how great is my mustache?
It's great too.
My wife hates it. She says I'm old. I look old. I think guys like mustache. Let me ask you, do men like mustaches a lot more than women, or what do you think?
Yeah, they must, because my husband has one too. So
Well, he doesn't have one in the picture over your head that I can see.
well, that is a cartoon character that
Oh, all right.
picture of him. Yeah.
All right. Hey, listen, let me it's been a real honor and a pleasure representing you. And I said this in the mediation. You're just a salt of the earth person. You're driving on Highway 61, you get rear-ended.
Yeah.
You've gone through this process now for a while. You know, the pandemic slowed some things down. We had your case set for trial. We've done you did a great job in your deposition. They didn't offer you squat until today, right?
Exactly. They didn't want to give me anything, not even enough to pay my medical bills at first.
And I'm proud of you. You fought them with us until they did. You did not go quietly into the night. You fought them all the way. You fought.
Yep. I wasn't going to give up.
I know you weren't.
That's why I hired you.
Well, that was gonna, and so, but you didn't hire me right away. Let me ask you this, and this is a question I ask a lot of people. Going through this process, what have you learned about this that you didn't know before, that's something that you might share with people?
Yeah, definitely get a lawyer right away. Don't wait.
Why?
I waited a year, and I just wasted that whole year because they wasn't going to offer me anything.
And, one of the criticisms they had, one of the things they talk about is you had some delays in medical treatment.
Yes.
And
yes.
One of the things I tell my clients when they come to me is don't do that. We'll get, we get people, we get you, we coordinate your medical, we get you stuff. But as soon as you came to us, we talked to you a little bit more, get more medical. You got you got 3 rounds of physical therapy. You did some other things. We kind of coached you on doing that. Fair?
Yes. And y'all helped me do that without health insurance. Y'all had them to hold the medical bills back and was able to get me in for treatment.
And that, when you get injured like that and you don't have health insurance, I don't want to put, is that stressful? Can that be?
Yeah, it's very stressful.
Tell me about that.
It's just stressful knowing that you're hurt and you don't have health insurance and you don't have the money to pay for it, and you can't work a lot of hours some people can't work at all in order to pay for it. It's just very stressful.
It can be stressful. And then, and all those things together. And one of the things we as lawyers do is there's a lot going on. There's the insurance, there's the lawsuit, there's the medical, there's the depositions, there's a mediation, there's a lot of issues. And one of the things I try to do is try to separate out and simplify and clarify the issues going on in a case. Were we able to do that with you?
Yes.
Did having us as your partner in this, did that provide some relief to the stress?
Yes, it made me feel a lot better.
Good. Life is stressful enough to deal without extra stress. Fair?
Yep.
Well, I just wanted to thank you. I have a lot of gratitude for you for sticking with us and letting us get this great result for you. How about the Jennifer and the paralegals and the staff we have here?
They were all great.
Isn't Jennifer great?
Yes, she is too.
Yeah, she's a
And
character. She's great.
Casey was also great. I dealt with her a lot.
Casey is great.
Mhm.
Everybody likes our paralegals more than they like us, for sure. And they deserve it. They deserve it. Well, listen, I just wanted to thank you again. Would you recommend Burger Law to your
I
friends? and family?
definitely would recommend y'all again. Yes.
Thank you very much.